Hi guys, this is ILINCA. Welcome to my channel. Today I just want to do a short video on some things that I just got from the drugstore and from Sephora. So we can just get started. I got this set of brushes by Real Techniques. Comes with a beauty blender. It comes with a foundation brush, concealer, blush, highlighter, and shadow. Let's open this and see. There you go. Okay. Try open. Like this. Oh, look at this nice colors. This orange beauty blender. It's really soft. Foundation brush, nice pink, RT400. This eyeshadow brush, Crease brush, it's the RT300. Very fluffy and soft. And then the setting brush, the RT402, Real Techniques 402, so soft. And the last one is the Expert Face Brush, Real Techniques 200 brush. Very nice. Yeah, so a set of 4 brushes and a beauty blender. This was a very good deal. This was around $30. Okay, and next I got this Fit Me by Maybelline in pink blush. Let's open it up. 25, and let's try it on with one of the blushes. Let's see. The brushes, not blushes. Wearing some blush now, but you can always add more. There you go. Very nice. Love this blush. See? Pink, nice pink blush. By Fit Me. I also, when I purchased the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal, it's in dark brunette, $3.90, and I don't have my brows done, so we can do them now. I usually don't do my brows ever, but I thought I should try it because I went to the Sephora website and you can upload your picture and try a product that you like, and it turned out really good. So first I'm gonna use the spoolie. So it's like this, it has a spoolie on one end and a crayon on the other. So we're gonna put the eyebrows up fill in the spots here, making a bit darker. Soft, see the difference? This one has nothing. This one is getting a little bit darker and fill. I like it. This one now. Really soft. Pencil. The color too. It matches my eyebrows. There you go. Big difference. So yeah, it's items here. So again, this was the dark brunette $3.90 brow pencil by L'Oreal. Beautiful. Also got some concealer by Rimmel 125 Fair. I heard this is really good, so I can give it a try. I'm wearing one since this morning, but we can put some more. Let me figure this out and open it. So it comes like this. It comes with this brush. Oh, there you go, it's coming out. Blender. Nice and bright. Yeah, I heard this is really good, and it contains vitamin C and E, and it wears for up to 13 hours. So I guess we can test it more tomorrow and see. But yeah, I heard it's pretty good. Concealer, it's 2-in-1. It's a concealer and highlighter. There you go. Now, I purchased some stuff from Sephora. I just arrived today. You can go ahead and open it and see what's here. I got the Huda Beauty Smokey palette. Obsession. I am obsessed with these palettes. I own almost every one of them. And I already have some smoky eyes, so let's go ahead and open it. There you go. Beautiful colors. Let's take this cover off from the mirror. And I also purchased two brushes by Morphe 433. And this is a blending brush. Very nice. Morphe brushes I love. And this is Morphe 441. This is the Crease brush. Here. They're both blending brushes. Yeah, so this Smoky palette by Huda Beauty. Let's do some swatches and see how they swatch. Let's try this one. Shimmery ones. And let's try this one here. Very sparkly. This is the light brown. We haven't used this color yet. So beautiful. This could be used as a transition color. And then of course the black. Oh, so pigmented. Love it. So there you have it. The shimmers and the mattes. Very beautiful palette. Crease and what you can use here. So let's use... which color should we use? I already have some on, but let's use this dark one right here. There's the Smokey eyeshadow look. Really pigmented, it's not allowed. Only a little bit of the brush. This one is the face palette, new palette. This palette is, and the best thing is that it has a black eyeshadow which you can use as an eyeliner. And yeah, look at this nice glitter. Let's use this glitter here. Put it in the middle and see. Ooh, beautiful. I love this palette. It has everything you need. There you go. Can you see? Beautiful. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. I just wanted to show you the purchases I did today from Sephora and from the drugstore. Stay tuned, I'm gonna have more videos coming up. And I will be posting every month some BoxyCharm unboxing videos, which my January hasn't come yet. It's still on its way, and that's why it's not posted yet. But as soon as I receive it, I'll make a video, and yeah, we'll be unboxing it together. I'm sure you probably know already what's in it. But no, I don't have any idea. I'm trying not to look at the sneak peeks at anything online because I want to be surprised. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos and if you want to see any more of them. And yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye.